Hi guys, if you love chicken pot pie, then you may love this new soup from the Blount's family kitchen. It's everything that you love about the chicken pot pie, but it is all in a heat and serve container, and each container is 24 ounces, so it should be enough for 2 people to share. And if you can't finish the 2 containers of soup, then they are freezable. This soup consists of dumplings, white meat chicken, peas and carrots. I honestly could do without the dumplings in the soup. It might be a texture thing for me, but I'm just not a fan of dumplings any kinds of soups. I usually like to reheat my soups on the stove. I don't know why, but they often taste better than microwaving them. I found the soup to be a bit bland and I didn't care for the dumplings. I rated this soup a 7 out of 10. My kids however love this soup and rated a higher score. My oldest son rates it a 9 out of 10. My youngest son rates it a 10 out of 10. In the fall and winter, Costco stocks a bunch of these ready-made, heat-and-eat soups. Costco has you covered with a bunch of soup options. Here are some of them. First up, we have the Ivar's Rustic Soup Pa Toscana. It's an Italian sausage and vegetable soup. I've already tried this one and it is a family favorite. This one is $11.59. Next is Chef Hack's Superfood Veggie Soup. In this soup are carrots, onion, red peppers, garbanzo, celery, kale, and navy beans. I have not tried this soup because I'm not typically a fan of this brand, so if you have tried it, let me know if you like it. This one is $13.89. Then we have the Boulder Organic Foods Chicken Wild Rice Soup. This one has white chicken, a blend of wild rice, and vegetables. My family had tried this soup once and the kids thought that it was just okay. This one is $13.49. Next we have the Panera Bread Broccoli Cheddar Soup. My kids like this soup and I typically like most of the products made by this brand. This soup is reasonably priced at $9.99. Then we've got the Kirkland Lobster Bisque and I am not a fan of this soup. I find it to be a bit too sweet and lacking chunks of lobster. This one is $10.99. Next up, we have the Ivar's Clam Chowder and Bacon. I have purchased this soup many times before when craving some clam chowder. This one is $11.99. Then we have the Kirkland Chicken Tortilla Soup. I think this soup is pretty good, especially if you top it with some shredded cheese and tortilla strips. This one is $9.49, which of a great value. The last item is a Blount's Family Kitchen Beef Chili with Beans. I haven't tried this chili yet. I think I'll wait until I'll see some reviews on it before buying it, so if you have tried this product please let me know what you think of it. Thanks a bunch. This one is $12.79. The sign shows that it is on sale, but unfortunately by the time I am able to get this video posted, the sale would most likely be over. I am so sorry about that. Do you have a favorite soup at Costco? Let me know which one it is in the comments section below. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.